this. I'm gonna take this before he knows. Oh yes, the precious. The precious.
Hey guys, with Christmas finally over, I got some brand new computer parts, so this is going to be an updated version of our PC build we did a little while ago. Here we have a brand new CPU cooler, a new case, and where did the video card go, Peter?
Front of it.
Did he go to Trinidad already?
I don't know. Probably.
We're gonna have to wait another week to make this video. I'll see you all in a week. I'm gonna just, you know, do something with this for the week. See ya.
Right here you see the stock AMD CPU cooler for his AMD Phenom II X6 1045T, 2.7 GHz on 6 true cores. You see the micro ATX Asus, I believe M5A97LX something. It's micro ATX, so has one graphics PCI Express slot. Currently has an HD 5450. Damn. So this is going to be a significant upgrade for Edgar. He also has it fully loaded with 8 gigs of RAM. Nice. And we move on to the power supply up here, which is, I believe, 620 watts, Antec green watt.
And as always, specs are in the description if you are really, really curious.
So guys, tell me how it's going.
Peter, you need to move the light. Over.
Moving the light.
We have a heatsink.
Peter, over here.
Over there.
Alright.
And now we're just putting in the mubbo. And next we're going to put in the power supply. And we're going to install the graphics card. And we're going to install the drives. We're taking off the plastic from the graphics card. We're going to install the GTX 650 Ti.
Okay guys, progress check.
Graphics card is currently trying to be installed.
There we go. I'm so good at the game, dude. I'm so.
And here is the finished PC. Brand new graphics card. Cooler mounts right there.
Yeah.
Peter, don't go anywhere. RAM, all that. Hard drive, and everything is right there. Perfect. So that was us building my PC. I couldn't record very much of the building, or at least not too well, because we had something else to do that night. This is against the law. And it was kind of important, so kinda had to, you know, hurry up, not worry about filming or whatever, but we got it done. I might do a setup video. You know what, I will. There'll be an annotation somewhere where there's a quick setup video. I'll show you around my room, I guess, which there's not very much to show, which, you know, is cool. And I think there was one thing I forgot that I recorded.
Awesome.
I don't think it's all that important, so I guess I'll forget about it. I hope you all enjoyed this video, and I guess I'll see you all later. I'm gonna go work.